Shark. A shark is a big fish. It has very sharp teeth. Dolphin. A dolphin is very friendly. It is also very smart. Whale. A whale is the biggest animal in the ocean. Octopus. An octopus has 8 arms. Jellyfish. A jellyfish has a soft body. It can sting you. Starfish. A starfish has 5 arms. It looks like a star. Seahorse. A seahorse looks like a small horse. It swims very slowly. Crab. A crab walks sideways. It has 2 big claws. Lobster. A lobster has a hard shell. People eat it as food. Sea turtle. A sea turtle lives a very long life.
Clownfish. A clownfish is orange and white. It lives near coral. Stingray. A stingray is flat. It has a long tail. Eel. An eel looks like a snake. It lives in the water. Sea lion. A sea lion can bark like a dog. Seal. A seal has a smooth body. It loves to swim and rest on rocks. Squid. A squid can change its color quickly. Sea urchin. A sea urchin has sharp spikes. Don't touch it. Clam. A clam has 2 shells. It can close them tightly. Coral. Coral is not a plant. It is actually a living animal. Sea otter. A sea otter floats on its back. It likes to hold hands while sleeping.
Manta ray. A manta ray has huge wings. It looks like it is flying in the water. Pufferfish. A pufferfish blows up like a balloon when it feels scared. Hammerhead shark. A hammerhead shark has a head shaped like a hammer. Walrus. A walrus has 2 long white tusks. Anglerfish. An anglerfish lives in the dark. It has a light on its head.
If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. And tell us which lesson you want to learn in comment below. Thank you for watching.